ABC News has called Georgia officially for Donald J. Trump.
Turn the page.
I'm just wondering if I can book a hotel in D.C. on Inauguration Day, buddy. Amen, man. Amen. Amen.
She's a liar. She's deceptive. But Trump tells the truth. He took a bullet for us. He's a good American. He's all about America. She's all about immigrants. And so we don't like that. So then I think the Georgia voters, they saw that.
Georgia is a battleground, and we needed to win Georgia because I believe that whatever happens in Georgia is going to affect the rest of the country.
You got to remember 2020 was a COVID year, so there was a massive amount of mail-in votes and absentee ballots. So what the difference was that Donald Trump over a year ago said, you guys got to go vote now. Go vote as early as you can, or put in the vote as early as you can if you're going to mail in the vote. That's the difference. That's what made the difference. Because Georgia had a record number of early voting, not only registration, but early votes. So that's what kept us in the game and over the top.
Thank you very much. Wow. Well, I want to thank you all very much. This is great. These are our friends. We have thousands of friends on this incredible movement. This was a movement like nobody's ever seen before. And frankly, this was, I believe, the greatest political movement of all time. There's never been anything like this in this country, and maybe beyond. And now it's going to reach a new level of importance because we're going to help our country heal. We're going to help our country heal. We have a country that needs help, and it needs help very badly. We're going to fix our borders. We're going to fix everything about our country. And we made history for a reason tonight, and the reason is going to be just that. We overcame obstacles that nobody thought possible, and it is now clear that we've achieved the most incredible political thing. Look what happened. Is this crazy?